Hey everybody, it's Levi from BayFoils. In today's video, we're going to do a quick little DIY how-to video. Basically, I'm going to show you how to take off your prop module and put on your jet module. So this is something that if you have both a jet drive and a prop module, you want to be able to do relatively quickly. It can be hard to do it without any tools in my experience. So I'm going to show you how to do it with a couple different tools so you can do it properly. And it won't be a headache. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Again, we do these videos to help people out on the internet who do not have a local partner so they can have the best time with their efoil. Before we get into the video though, I just want to say, if you have a local partner, this is something that your local partner can do for you and show you. Please don't do any repairs or DIY things if you're not 100% confident in your skills. But let's get into it. First and foremost, the tools you're going to need are going to be a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. It's a little blurry here in the video, but you can see just a standard 2.5 millimeter. I like the straight style because it lets you get in better. 13 millimeter socket wrench, which is included with your purchase, and this end cap screw tool. This comes with your purchase as well. The other tool that I like is this spanner tool. I don't know what this tool is called. I got it from Harbor Freight, but it works great and you'll see why. First thing you want to do is start by removing your propeller. This is if you have a prop and guard. I find it easier to just remove the propeller entirely and use the included tool. Remember, it is reverse threading, so to loosen it, turn it to the right. Once you have it removed, you can simply insert the jet and then twist it to the left to tighten it. Now I'm going to show you a method how to take it off if you use a pro tail guard. The pro tail guard has two grub screws that keep it on there, so you're going to first want to take those off. Once you have both grub screws out, take your spanner tool, insert it into both holes, and gently twist towards the right. This will allow you to free it up and take the prop module off. Once you have it all put back together, make sure to align the grub screw marks together. You can see here where the little hash marks meet, otherwise your pro tail guard can fall off during your ride. Once you got that all put back together, just tighten your grub screws and put your prop back on and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful and we'll see you in the next video.